Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a start date in Asana. This feature is incredibly useful for planning projects with specific timelines, ensuring your team knows exactly when work should begin on each task. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to your project in Asana where you want to add the start date. This could be any active project you're managing, whether it's a marketing campaign, product launch, or team initiative. Once you're in the project view, you'll see all your tasks laid out in front of you. Next, click on the specific task you want to assign a start date to. This action will open the task details pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is where all the important information about your task lives, including descriptions, subtasks, attachments, and importantly for us today, dates. Now look for the due date field inside the task details. Click on this field to open up the date selector. You might be wondering why we're clicking on due date when we want to set a start date, but Asana's calendar system houses both options in the same place, making it easy to set comprehensive timelines for your tasks. When the calendar pop-up appears, you'll notice an option for start date at the top of the calendar interface. Go ahead and click on this. This is what allows you to define when work should actually begin on this task, separate from when it needs to be completed. It's particularly helpful when you're coordinating dependencies or managing workload across your team. From here, select your desired start date directly from the calendar that's displayed. Simply click on the date you want to set as the starting point for this task. The calendar is interactive and easy to navigate, allowing you to move between months if you need to set a date further in the future. Finally, to save your changes, simply click outside the calendar pop or press Enter on your keyboard. Asana will automatically save the start date you've selected, and it will now appear in your task details, giving you and your team clear visibility on when this work should commence. And that's it. You've successfully added a start date to your task in Asana, creating a more comprehensive timeline for your project management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.